is a very exciting day kasi darating yung family ko and they're gonna see our condo for the first time. So, ngayon pa lang nila ako mabibisita. As in, lahat sila. Si Ma, si Dad, si Riel. Tapos kasama din nila si Yaya, Dali, and Bailey, our toy poodle. Martin and I spent the whole morning preparing. And since maayos yung condo ngayon, kasi nga we're expecting visitors, so let's also do our condo tour. Hey guys, so welcome to our condo. So pagpasok nyo, this is our foyer area. So we have here our shoe cabinet, and I love this kasi mukha siyang solihiya. Pero actually, hindi siya solihiya talaga, but it gives that look. And then we also have here our altar. So, fun fact, this is our Bible from our wedding. So, we kept it. So, it's very special. And then, over here, we have our wedding picture. So, alam nila kung sino yung nakatira dito. Pagpasok pa lang. And then, so yan, may mga candles and flowers and whatnot. Talagyan ng keys. And then, over here, we have a full-length mirror para mag-fit check muna kayo before leaving. Fit check. And then, dito na is our dining area. It's a 4-seater table. This is from Martin's brother, Addy. So, thank you, Addy. And sinet up na rin namin kasi nga, my family's coming over. And then, if you go straight here, it's our kitchen. And this is my favorite part of the kitchen. It's my coffee station. So, I have here my espresso machine and my Nespresso machine. And ganun ulit, parang solihiya kasi that's the vibe that we wanted. Yung parang modern, Filipino, beach house, parang ganun. And then, I'm very OC. So, bumili pa ako ng takip nung water container kasi ayoko na parang eyesore yung color blue. So, ayan. So, neutral lang din siya. And then, itong painting na to, I painted that. It's painting by numbers. So, ayan. Parisian Cafe. Since this is a coffee station. And then, over here, so we have our fridge. This is also from Addy. Thank you, Addy. Sa Kabuhayan Showcase. Thank you. And then, over here, this is where we have our Breville Smart Oven. Gift din to ng family ni Martin sa amin. And I'm currently heating up our baked salmon. Yan yung handa namin mamaya for lunch. And then, ayan, even the appliances, I made sure na it's all aesthetic. Like, puro neutrals and white. And then here is our washing machine from my sister, Daryl. So, thank you, Riel. This is her wedding gift to us. So, ganun ulit. Kabuhayan Showcase! And then, over here, yan. So, this is where we put our fruits. Yan, onion, garlic. And ito, super space saver trash can. So, we get to recycle, pero magkapatong sila. So, space saver. Yan. Ta-da! And then here, so we have our sink. Yan. Even yung dish drainer namin, very aesthetic yan. And I'm so happy with our kitchen. I'm always here. I'm always cooking. And see, even yung mga vinegar and soy sauce namin. I made sure na neutrals din. And then ito, we ordered this kasi naka-induction kami. Kailangan namin ng patungan ng induction. So we have our induction cooker, tapos yung gift ni Martin na microwave, and then at the bottom, yung mga pots and pans, and ito yung range hood din na in-order namin. Let's go here to the living room. So this is where we lounge and watch TV. And ito yung binili namin na TV. I don't know if you watched my vlog noon. So, we bought this Skyworth 55 ba? 50. I don't know. Basta ganun. 50-something inch TV. And then, eto, mukha lang mga kaming madaming table. Pero kasi si Martin, ayaw niyang paharangan yung ayaw niyang paharangan yung modem for signal. So, we needed another table for the lamp. Tapos ito, C-table kasi siya. So, we can put it dun sa may sofa if we need a table there. Welcome! Pasok kayo! Welcome! Sige, pasok muna. Hello! Hello! Huh? Slippers?
Yeah, I got the slippers.
Slippers! Hello, baby boy! nakatira dito. Walang makapag-pretend na condo namin to. Okay, palit lang silang slippers. Nakarating din! Sige, dahanda. Contis baked salmon, California maki, muy hong, amoy lumpia, tapos may mashed potato. Eating time! Oh, mamaya nakain mo na. Yan si Martin. Martin!
Hey.
Hi!
Cheers.
Cheers! Cheers! And Bailey Boy! So excited si Bailey Boy. Okay. Bailey! Bailey boy is here. Bailey! Bailey! Bailey's here! Martin and Bailey! Meet and greet! Nagpag-grab cereal ng cake for the April celebrants. Ito yung dessert. Birthday celebrants! Yay! Thank you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Okay, wish and blow! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Yay! Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm actually sick right now. I think you can tell from my voice that I'm sick. So yeah, I'm just at home right now watching YouTube videos and resting. Yeah, I have my blanket and my pillow here on the sofa. Nandito kasi yung TV sa sofa. So dito na lang ako tumambay para I can just watch TV while I'm resting. Tapos si Martin, lumabas siya to do grocery kasi he wanted to buy me juice and fruits, ganon. So, I'm just waiting for him to come back. And binilan din niya ako ng medicine. So, colds, medicine, and Berocca. My husband is back!
With the
oh my god,
grocery.
with the grocery! Super windy.
It is.
Oh, may chair dyan kasi kanina binubuksan namin yung door para may air na pumasok. But it's so windy.
Because Dennis is sick.
I know! And Martin is a germaphobe.
I'm just a preventive guy.
So, gusto niya may airflow. Groceries!
2 bags.
Wow!
Yeah.
Oh, ang dami! Let's see! What's your report? There's no zucchini.
There's no zucchini, cabbage, and romaine lettuce. But I bought iceberg lettuce.
Okay.
Yeah, but everything else, we got them in the bag.
Yay! Naka super windy. Look at Martin's shirt. It's flowing.
Flowing, yeah.
One thing I discovered about Martin, he's so obsessed with tissue.
It's not obsession, but it's essential. Very essential.
Kaya inasar ko na siya, kinakanta ko siya ng Usher song. Pero imbes na, these are my confessions. These are my obsessions. Just
Tissue is love.
Tissue is love, oh.
It has cleaned so many things.
Two
It
packs.
has prevented so many diseases.
Okay, I'm gonna let Martin fix that. This is where I've been staying since this morning. Just lying on the sofa.
I'm gonna drink Berocca.
Ito yung mga binili sa akin ni Martin. He got me honey for tea for my throat. And then, here in the fridge, he got me juices. Red grape. Tapos, for vitamin C daw, he got me kiwi. Plus, other things that I asked him to buy, like vegetables. We got cauliflower, broccoli, lettuce, and banana. Tapos may iba pang mga binili. But, yun yung mainly to help me get better. Cheers! Cheers to health! Sarap ng Berocca. Lasang orange juice lang. Okay, we're just gonna rest now. Kasi mamaya we're gonna go out at night to have dinner with Martin's family.
What you doing?
I am slicing your kiwi. So you're having salt, potassium, and vitamin C all together.
Wow. Kiwi, banana, and salty chips.
Yes. Perfect for hydration, immune system, and decongestion.
Thank you.
Meron na akong pang games. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday, and let me show you Martin. So busy at 6:40 a.m. Can't stop, won't stop.
Yes, laundry time.
6:40 a.m. naglo-laundry na siya.
Doing dense laundry.
Yeah, he's laundering my clothes. Thank you.
She never did her own laundry.
Kasi,
Ever.
no, kasi, I will explain. Yung drain ng washing machine, ang higpit, kasi hindi ko siya ma-open. So, I can't do laundry. Pag wala si Martin, tapos pag nandito naman si Martin, siya na yung naglo-laundry. So, I will show to the people. This is our washing machine. Tapos, ayun no, yun. I have to open that. I can't reach that to open it. So, I need Martin.
Sus! I-reach mo ganun.
No, I can't. But, laundry is actually one of my favorite chores nung hindi pa kami married ni Martin. But, I can't do it here kasi inuunahan ako ni Martin palagi. I'm gonna make coffee. I have here my outside oat milk. Favorite namin to ni Martin, pero ang hirap na niyang hanapin sa grocery. We order it online. And usually, pag mag-chore si Martin, I'm making coffee.
Oh, making coffee, eating, having snacks, and usual, or watching TV, or on her phone.
Pero gusto ni Martin yun eh, kasi nga can't stop, won't stop siya eh.
Oh yeah, I like myself always being preoccupied with things.
Oh, ayaw niya yung paupo-upo siya. So gotta give the man what he wants.
I never knew I have the knack for being a good house husband.
Yes, house husband material. Super. For breakfast, I made my oat milk latte. And then for Martin, he asked me to make him some matcha. And this also has oat milk. For breakfast, request ni Martin, kimchi jjigae. May lunch kami with friends later. So for breakfast, we wanted something light lang, soup lang. Lalo siyang sumarap kasi binigyan kami nito ni Kuya Tristan. Super juicy dried tofu. Tapos parang siyang yung marinated na tofu.
Thank you, Kuya Tristan.
Thank you, Kuya Tristan.
And thank you, Yunche of Cat's Eye, for inspiring us to eat kimchi jjigae because that's her favorite.
We're going out now. We're gonna go to Vertis North to meet our friends.
See ya.
See ya. Hey guys, so we're here sa The Matcha Tokyo. Kasi we're early pa for lunch. So magmamatcha muna kami ni Martin. There's Martin! Yeah. So nice here. Very Japanese, zen, minimalist vibes. We're just waiting for our drink. Bumili pala kami ng kamote chips. Here's our order. It looks so beautiful. So Martin got matcha latte with soy milk and I got matcha latte with oat milk.
We need to get organic matcha.
Meron dyan, 3,000.
No need. No need.
Sobrang feel at home.
What?
Feel at home.
Welcome to my space. Welcome to my office.
Crib.
Welcome to my crib. Welcome to my matcha world. Matcha food. Matcha's the best. Coffee is overrated.
No. No.